Alright, so in this video we're going to be breaking down the song God Will Make a Way by Moen. So I'm going to do this in the key of C so that everyone can understand better. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you the chords you need to accompany this song, okay? You can use the text on screen as a guide, alright? So let's get started. We'll start from C, God will make a way, then we'll go to G, okay? We're the same, F major, to be no way, C major. He walks in ways, F major. We cannot see, C major. D minor, he will make a way, okay, for me. So you're gonna do a way. This is F major slash G major, okay? That's the slash chord. Way for me before you get to G. Then you now go back to C. He will be my God. Back to G major. Hold me close, little F major, his side, back to G major, sorry, C major, okay? Then we continue to the F major, which is love and strength, okay? For his new the C major. Now to D minor, he will make a way for F over G, a way for me. Okay, which leads you to G. Then you now go to D. He will make to G all the way back to C. Okay, so you can use this text on screen. I place the individual chords accompanying with the lyrics, so you can be using that in case you are a bit confused with what I'm playing. Okay, so just be using what I'm playing to get the chords, but you can be using that on screen to understand how the progression flows. Okay, that's the placing of the chords. So let's move to the bridge. I'll also be calling the chords, so I'm just going to do a kind of little preview. I'm going to play the bridge. It's a bit complicated, but it's still very, very simple, I promise that. So I'm going to play the bridge, then I'm going to break it down. So it goes like this. By road wherein the wilderness he leads me, okay, rivers in the deserts will I see, heaven and earth will fade, but His word will still remain. He will do something new today. Okay. Then we go back to the verses. God will make. Okay. So we move to G sharp major chord by the roadway in. Okay. The wilderness. B flat major. He leads me back to E flat major, okay? So we start from G sharp major, B flat major, E flat major, okay? Then again, rivers in G sharp major, the rivers, B flat major, will I see, then we'll go back to C major, okay? So don't get confused. Let's start again. G sharp major, B flat major, E flat major, okay, G sharp major, B flat major, C, okay. Then we proceed. Heaven and earth, that's G sharp major again, will fade, B flat major, but your word, so this is another chord, this is a minor chord, G minor chord, okay, but your word will still remains, C major, sorry, C minor, okay. So from G minor, but your word will still remain. We move to C minor, okay. Then he will do F minor, okay. He will do something new today. Then you play this chord, okay, and make it very simple. Today, G sus 4, okay, which now leads you to G, okay. Then you now start again from the verse. God will make a way, okay. You see, that's very simple. So let me play everything again, like the bridge again from the beginning, so that you understand how it flows better, okay. So it goes like this. The roadway in the wilderness, He leads me, okay. Rivers in the deserts will I see, okay. Heaven and earth will fade, but for your word will still remains. He will do something new today. God will make a way. Okay, then we'll go back to the verses. Well, there seems to be no way. Alright, so that's just how the whole song goes.